I'm Jonathan with Mothership Aeronautics, and I'm going to show you how to roll up your eBlimp. As you can see, we have here 4.5 meter eBlimp printed, custom printed on the envelope for our client, and we're going to roll it up now so we can store it. So the first thing you got to do is make sure that there's no air in it. Now that it's completely empty of air, what we're going to do is roll it up neatly and tightly into a little cylinder. So keep tucking it in as it tries to grow out, and keep it tight. This little burrito shape, that's the ticket. It's going to be easy to store. Now remember folks, this is a 4.5 meter long 500 watt blimp, yet we are rolling it up into this tiny little burrito neatly. It's very important that you keep it completely dry. Moisture at this level will cause the blimp to rot and have leaky holes in it. There's going to be a little bit of air at the end. Make sure that your caps are all open. Those open caps will also make sure that any moisture that's in there will be able to escape. There we go. We've got our little cylindrical shaped blimp ready to be stored.